Hello everybody, in this video we are going to present you the way of making a connected object. We will see how to weld the object, then we will cut it, and finally we are going to print a protection box for our connected object using a 3D printer. The object we selected is composed by a small computer called a board and a screen. Using Wi-Fi, the object will be able to collect data from the internet and to show it through the screen. When it will be finished, the device will provide us information about the air quality of the place we will have selected. First step was to assemble the two parts of our object in order to make the final version of the connected object we will use. We've gone to the maker labs of the school to weld the two parts. Wearing the protection glasses, this step was a quite simple step. The second step was the coding one. We had to use software like Arduino in order to give the instruction to our object. The code contains, for example, Wi-Fi login and password the object has to use to connect to the internet, but also the address of the website where it will take the information. Inside of the code, we also have to indicate the name of the city where we want to know the air quality. Once all of those information have been inserted inside of the code, we have to connect our object to the computer thanks to an USB cable. At this moment, we have to click on the button Check. And if the software does not display an error message, we can upload the code to the object. Because of some issues inside of the code, we waited few weeks before finalizing this step. And finally, after several tests, in order to conclude our work on this subject, we wanted to discover other technologies we have access at the school and particularly inside of the Maker's Lab. That's why we have printed a protection box for our objects using the school's 3D printers. This project was really interesting and we had the opportunity to understand how work devices we face every day. It was also the opportunity to open our mind about the new technologies and the technical aspect of those technologies.